Hello everyone. Are you looking into starting your own small business with minimal investment? Well, I've got an amazing deal for you. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to source jewelry, packaging, and even custom products from Nihaojewelry. And I'll teach you how to save money while building your own brand. So stick around because it's simpler than you think. Nihaojewelry is an amazing platform that offers everything you need to keep your business up and running. Whether that be selling jewelry, women's clothing, or even customized products. What's crazy is that when you start an account on your Nihaojewelry page, you get a $40 coupon helping you kickstart your journey. Let's dive in. So once you're on the website, you'll see a wide variety of products, beautiful jewelry, trending clothes, and more. For example, you could grab jewelry pieces for as low as $2 and resell them for $15 or more. The key is how you market and package them. Want your jewelry brand to be even more unique? No problem. Nihaojewelry offers custom jewelry, including laser engraving, which means you can make a single piece if you want, making it very cost effective because you don't have to purchase a laser machine yourself. Simply reach out to the business via WhatsApp and give your custom requests. It's not just about jewelry. Nihaojewelry also offers custom packaging, which means you can get your logo printed on bags and boxes, giving it a very professional look without breaking your bank. One of the things I love about Nihaojewelry is their customer service. They even provide real life pictures in product reviews, which is amazing when buying in bulk. Another amazing thing is that they produce about 1,000 new inventory every single day. Nihaojewelry is perfect for Spotify shop owners, influencers, and even boutique owners who are just starting out. With their help, you can quickly capture the competitive pricing and high quality products. So, are you ready to start your business with ease? Drop a comment down below with the word business and I will send you a link to get started with your Nihaojewelry. Don't miss out this opportunity to build your brand with top quality products and amazing support.